Zoom and extension to delimit the workspace. Command line with active ortho, draw the base and stem of the glass as desired. Take the arc command, click on the end point of the stem, second and third clicks at any point. Combine everything with the join command. Using the offset command, set a distance of 15 and create the offset in the appropriate position. Close it with the circle command for the base of the glass's rim. Use the fillet command with a radius of 7.5 to create a fillet at the angle where the stem meets the glass. Combine everything with the join command. Use the revolve command, select the object, click at the base of the stem, make a second click at the end of it, and type 360, then press Enter.